If Outlook is showing error 404 with the message, "We can't connect you," don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This issue usually happens when your browser has bad cached data, your cookies are corrupted, or a VPN or proxy is interfering with the connection. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, the easiest fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. If you're using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or another browser, go into the browser settings and look for privacy or browsing data. Then clear the cached files and cookies, especially anything related to Outlook or Microsoft sign-in pages. Old browser data can cause Outlook to load the wrong session or fail to connect properly, so this step often solves the problem immediately. After clearing the cache and cookies, close the browser completely and open Outlook again. Try signing in one more time and see if the error is gone. If Outlook still shows the same connection problem, the next step is to try an incognito or private browsing window. This is a great way to test whether the issue is related to stored browser data. In incognito mode, the browser starts fresh without using your regular cookies, extensions, or saved sessions, which makes it easier to isolate the cause. To do that, open a new incognito window in your browser and go directly to Outlook or Outlook Web Access. Sign in again and check whether the error still appears. If Outlook works in incognito mode, that usually means the issue is related to your normal browser profile, cache, cookies, or one of your extensions. In that case, you may want to clear data again or test another browser to confirm. If you're still seeing Outlook error 404, the next thing to check is your VPN or proxy. These services can sometimes block Microsoft services or route your connection in a way that causes Outlook to fail. If you have a VPN turned on, disconnect it temporarily and refresh the page. If you use a proxy on your device or network, disable it and try again. Once the VPN or proxy is off, reload Outlook and see if the connection works normally. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the issue right away. Clear your browser cache and cookies, open Outlook in an incognito window, or disable VPN and proxy services. These are the fastest and safest troubleshooting steps to try before moving on to anything more advanced. If Outlook is still not loading after that, try switching to a different browser or restarting your device, because sometimes the problem is just a temporary session issue. But for most users, the fix comes from cleaning the browser data or removing the network block. That's it. You now know how to fix Outlook error 404 and get back into your email. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Outlook or Microsoft 365 troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.